So that's why your airships are boat-shaped.
Well, we can go under with him because we do have the underwater ability. This level's like impossible without the underwater ability, I suppose. Interesting. Anyways, got it. Let's turn back around. I mean, he couldn't even get to this level without the underwater ability, so that makes sense. Move right this way, got it. Okay, we're doing okay so far. Oh, what about this? Oh, it's a little starfish. How cute is that? They're little heart fries. So I don't know where the baby turtles went. We'll try to find out later. Maybe they went down that way. Maybe they did not. Let's make sure that there's no...